In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app error in Windows Defender on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's start the video. First, right click on the Windows Start icon and select Task Manager from the context menu. Once in the Task Manager, click on File at the top and select Run New Task. Next, click the Browse button. In the File Explorer window, go to this PC, then select the C drive. Open the Windows folder, then locate and double click on the System32 folder. Scroll down until you find the cmd.exe file. Once found, select it and click Open. Check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. Now we are in command prompt where you will need to enter some commands. Carefully type each of the commands provided in the video description, then press enter after each one. To make things easier, you can copy all the commands at once. So select the all commands, right click and choose copy. Then go back to the command prompt. Right click on the top bar. This will paste and run the commands automatically. After that, exit the command prompt and finally restart your computer. And the problem should be resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, so don't forget to liking the video.